Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Toyota Prius into neutral with a dead battery. First, locate your shift lever. You'll notice a small access panel nearby. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver to pry open this panel. Once the panel is removed, you'll see a small button. This is your shift lock override. Press it firmly to prepare for the next step. Now, with the access panel open and the override button exposed, keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal. This is crucial for safety. While continuously pressing the override button, gently move the shift lever from park to the neutral position. Once in neutral, you can release the override button. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface before proceeding. After successfully shifting your Prius into neutral, immediately engage the parking brake. This prevents any unintended movement, especially if you're on a slight incline. For added safety, consider placing wheel chocks around the tires, particularly if the ground isn't perfectly flat. Finally, replace the small access panel to cover the shift lock override button, keeping it protected. Remember, never attempt to tow your Prius if it's not properly in neutral, as this can cause significant damage. Also, avoid leaving your vehicle unattended in neutral for extended periods, especially on any slope. This method is a temporary solution to move your car. Your next step should be to address the dead battery to restore full functionality to your Prius.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.